Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Exhcnage. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and before we start, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, follow me on Twitter, etc. The boomer markets are closed. Nothing much to say about it on this level over here, but we will zoom out a little bit on the DXY and the S&P 500. We can see a clear break of this trend line on the hourly over here for the DXY, making higher highs, breaking to the upside. High time frame for the DXY daily, we can see the same break over here. A very big push. We hope for rejection over here. This is resistance for the DXY. And support, you know, this trend line over here is big support for the DXY. We want that stuff to go down to zero. S&P 500 is currently very high. We have, well, last year's March. A lot of people are traumatized by that one, but on a daily we have some support at this level, 4150. 4150. Yeah, I think some sideways consolidation. This is a trend line that could concern you a little bit, but I mean, not me. Horizontally, you know, we have some support over here as well. Otherwise, you know, a big drop can be happening down to, well, I would say flat 40. Horizontally, you know, this is a place of importance, you know. Top over here, top over there, you know, some action over here. Very clearly. See me gap. I mean, will we gap it again above here and leave this open again? Would be lovely. Daily time frame for Bitcoin. I mean, earlier this week, we can clearly see we broke this trend line. Very clearly, boom, big power consolidation. Everybody was here, you know, losing focus of Bitcoin, focusing on Ethereum, for example, and then yesterday Bitcoin started pumping. Today it is more about consolidation. Nothing wrong with that, looking very good. I would say it is a bullish retest what we are doing right now of these highs over here. We can see it in the VPVR as well, and what I am expecting is a little bit of a bull flag, something like this, and a bit like this. And I mean, that's something we could have seen over here as well. You could clearly see this support over there, and then we dropped off a little bit, you know, at the end of the 29th of April, and we shaked out just to make sure everybody stopped out, because I mean, people were having their stops, let's be honest, at places like this. These lows over here and these lows over there and there. So once this one gave in, everybody was expecting, well, then we go over here, this level, 51, because that's big support. But it was just a stop out all the longs and then pump it extremely hard. Right now, I'm expecting the same kind of thing to happen. I think we will shake them out over here, a little below it, and then pump. How are the fundings looking? It is a weekend. I'm not expecting too much from Bitcoin. We have to refresh it a little bit. And yeah, fundings are higher. So I think we get such a little shakeout over here before resuming to the upside. I do not expect us to go up today to make new highs. And if we do make new highs, you know, let's talk about targets. This would be a target for me. Wait. I'm a little bit of a boomer, guys. I hope you guys don't mind. 30-year-old boomer, that is. These are the targets for now. Support, I mean, should be clear. Here's support where we're at right now. And you know, if it gives in, next support is over here. I would wait a little bit longer for longing Bitcoin. It is a great moment already, but I think we will shake out some people. So make sure you have some limits waiting here if you want to trade to the upside. Anything else? Everything is looking perfectly fine. Personally, I would wait for the ES1 open tomorrow night. Free money lately, printing me a lot of money. Oh, no. Cancel. Ethereum, Bitcoin. I mean, yesterday I was a bit like, whoa, what's happening? Bitcoin was pumping like loco, and Ethereum was doing nothing. Broke this one, did retests, and now we are up to new highs again. I'm balls long Ethereum. Not sure if I can say that over here on YouTube, but it is a fact. I am balls long Ethereum. And it's looking great. I mean, there's nothing else I can say. Let's look at the daily. It is completely loco. Rising wedge after rising wedge. This was last year's March, you know, the March dip. And it dipped to $100, man. So much pain. So much pain, and only up since then. $100 back then. And now we are at almost $3,000. I think today $3,000 for Ethereum is very much possible. Why that is? I mean, look at this crazy breakout again from Ethereum over here. They're just gonna run it now. They're just gonna moon it very hard. And that is all I can say about it. Yesterday we had a little bit of a, this is the 15-minute guys, we had a little bit of a breakdown when Bitcoin started pumping over here, and you know, this is a support line over here, and then they wick it through it, you know, wick through it once, wick through it twice, make sure everybody stopped out, and then we mega pump it. And that's exactly what's happening, you know, looking masterful. Masterful, that's all I can say. It's this is of course resistance, you know, the last high over there. It's an easy one, pop. On a daily, you know, we're looking for this resistance over here, this bottom over here, and some action out over there. That is for me resistance and a target for the Bitcoin Ethereum ratio. I would love to see this one completely engulfed on the daily, and that is about it. Matic is a big buy right now. Matic is free money almost. Look at it. Kaboom, breakout. Making higher highs in the consolidation. This is the 15-minute guys. Boom, there. You can take an easy trade over here from this high to the all-time high yesterday. That is what I would do. Easy trade, quick money, free money. That is what I would do. Same for Matic BTC. I mean, over here you can see it already. Kaboom, broke it. Low, low, lower low, higher low. A little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. Kaboom, breaks up. Right now resistance at this one. Free money as well, this top over there. Zilliqa looking good. Nothing to say about it much. Will go for all-time highs. Right now it seems like they will consolidate over here a little bit. Expecting something like this to be made. Something like that. What you wanted to look at for Zilliqa, holding these lows, these horizontals, and making a higher high. We're basically between these two lines. That is it for Zilliqa. And then we are taking a look at AAVE. AAVE is doing things today, looking quite good. Let's zoom out to the 4-hour, and yeah, I mean, AAVE is made a higher low over here, came back at it over here. We'll probably, I think AAVE is moving kind of slow, but would probably go to 450 again, and then they will send it to new all-time highs. Target $800 free money. I mean, AAVE BTC. I mean, we can see it with clear eyes, right? Trend line break. I mean, you just want to see trend line break and take a look at liquidity. If you want to know more about liquidity and how to trade with it, let me know in the comments. I'm selling a course for just $100. You can find my email address. I work via email. You go to my page over here, you click on details over here, and you can see my email address. Pause the screen, you can watch my email address over here. If there's someone in the comments, you know, saying stuff weirdly, you know, or talking about phone numbers, do not respond. That is not me. Anyway, back to AAVE. Looking good over here. We'll make new higher highs over here as well. Looking good for now. Did a retest on these highs over here. We can see that clearly. Over here came for retest. This 4-hour. I hope you guys like my TA. I mean, Doge, my friends call it Doyer. I don't know why, but they're always talking about Doyer. Level over here, you know. Perfectly low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. And right now, you know, they're at an important spot. A little bit consolidation. If you zoom in a little bit, you know, we can watch something like this in the making. This pattern, very bullish pattern. You can drop this one even over here, I think. Very bullish pattern. Doge will go to new all-time highs or test the all-time high again. And that is about it for today. Like I said, if you like my stuff, please follow, subscribe, hit the notification button. Very important. Otherwise, you know, you don't get a notification. Fundings, you know, they're running up. So be a little cautious with Bitcoin. Ethereum just hit $2,900 and 90% of my net worth is in Ethereum, maybe even more. So yeah, I'm extremely happy with that. I'm having a very good weekend. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, guys. I always love to talk because yeah, I'm just trading, so I'm always here. See you guys.